An Indian Air Force Apache attack helicopter made an emergency landing during a routine sortie near Saharanpur on Friday. The pilots had to land the chopper at an open field in an area under Chilkana police station after it developed a technical snag. Both the pilots are safe. As soon as the information of the incident was received, Army and police officials reached the spot. Officials said no damage was caused and no casualties reported in the incident. However, it is not yet known whether the helicopter took off from Sarsaun or Ambala Air Force Station. A crowd from nearby villages gathered at the spot. Technicians have reached the spot along with military officials and are busy fixing the helicopter. The Hughes McDonnell Douglas Boeing R-64 Apache is an American twin-turboshaft attack helicopter with a tailwheel-type landing gear and a tandem cockpit for a crew of 2. Nose-mounted sensors help acquire targets and provide night vision. It carries a 30mm, 1.18 M230 chain gun under its forward fuselage and 4 hardpoints on stub wing pylons for armament and stores. The Indian Air Force, IAF, operates a fleet of 22 AH-64E Apache attack helicopters, and the Indian Army is also acquiring additional R-64s. The Apache is a highly advanced, multi-mission helicopter known for its combat capabilities and technology. The Apache can track up to 128 targets at a time and prioritize threats, equipped with Hellfire missiles and a 30mm cannon. The Indian Apache, known as the AH-64E Guardian version, features a more powerful engine, better data networking, and improved composite rotor blades. Tata Boeing Aerospace has been involved in producing components for the Apache. In the last few months, the IAF has witnessed a series of incidents involving its aircraft. In February, a Mirage 2000 fighter jet crashed near Shivpuri, Madhya Pradesh, during a routine training sortie. The 2 pilots ejected safely, and a court of inquiry was launched to investigate the cause of the crash. Similarly, in November of the previous year, a MiG-29 fighter jet crashed near Agra, also due to a technical malfunction.